Welcome back. I just want to give you a quick update on the market. Let's get right to it. But please, before we do so, remember, like and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. So before anything happened today, GameStop is going to do the same thing like MicroStrategy has does in the past, where they will be investing in Bitcoin. As you can see, after hours, because that was said, the stock closed at $25.40, was down on the day, and look what happened. Rally from news came out. Look at this. Continuous consolidation and pushed up after market. It's trading now up over 5.28% currently. This is something good for the company and also bad. But if it's long term, you can benefit from this tremendously. But there's one thing I want to talk about. We cannot forget about Google. Alphabet is going beyond all ads, because what they're doing with the company AI infrastructure, you can see that they're going full speed ahead. That Google decided to share this with us today, that the quantum computer is something to look forward to in the future. And one more thing that I want to inform you guys about for tomorrow is nothing other than reports. But I just want to touch base with one stock that I have told you about, and I continuously say, don't count out Tesla. Even though the whole world is burning their Tesla, Donald Trump has just released news that he's going to invest in Tesla privately. So he's going to give Tesla all the money they need in the world to make their company number one. Because why? Again, China EVs are selling more than the Tesla is. So now Donald Trump stepped in to help Elon Musk. Of course, they're buddies in crime. So they're doing it together, which is not bad. Even though it is bad for the economy what they're doing now, but hopefully this recovers soon. But anyhow, Tesla has been moving. If you had bought the dip, the stock is currently up 34% from the last time it was trading at 200 and what is this, $211, and now it's currently at $289. So tomorrow, don't be surprised if Tesla is trading at $400 or even trading at $500. It wouldn't come to me as a surprise, because when news like this come after hours, then it tends to factor in tomorrow. When it's factored in the throughout the normal trading day, the stock tends to trade higher. And because of that, Nasdaq pushed up as well. And I spoke about this numerous times. If you can see that if you had bought Nasdaq when the market was down and everyone was not sure, most people wasn't sure of what they were doing, this Nasdaq is now up over 7% with that 10% pullback that we had got. So a great quote that Warren Buffett said, when they all are selling, I'm buying. And this is the perfect example when everyone was dumping their shares. If you had bought the dip, you would have been up. Even if you had bought AMD when everyone was dumping and selling everything in the market because of tariff and uncertainty, when AMD was selling at what, $94, $93.56. The stock is now selling at $114. So if you had $50,000, $100,000 and bought some shares in AMD, you would have been almost up more than $50,000 right now on a $100,000 investment. But before we even look at that, just be mindful that there is some gaps in the future that we have to overcome these obstacles, which is tomorrow that is set for the market. We're expect to get some economic data, and with all this economic information coming in tomorrow, not tomorrow, but should say correct, which is Thursday on Friday. If we get all those good economic data and they're good for the market, then we're going to continue to see, we're going to continue to see an uptrend in the market. And also, if you had bought some TQQ, which is the inverse of Nasdaq, you would have been up maybe the same, which is 7%. No, you would have been up over 18% on your shares right now. because the stock was selling at $56 and now it's selling currently at $67. So again, a great comparison is Warren Buffett said. I don't know how much I'm going to elaborate on this, that when they're all selling, I am buying. Look at Reddit. I don't know how much I'm going to stress this, but we have a double bottom on Reddit. From here, if all goes well, Thursday and Friday, we can see the stock go up anytime soon, past $300-400 a share. So be on the lookout. As we spoke, I talk about Warren Buffett. It doesn't matter what the stock market is doing, selling off, yes or no, tanking, 10-20% pullback. Warren Buffett shares always climb, whether the market is down or not. So this is a stock that you can definitely look into for the long term. You can see this red line here that I drew this line. This was back last year, September, when the stock was trading at $445 a share. And now look what the stock is worth, $528. So long-term investment is Warren Buffett. You're thinking about long-term? Buy some shares here and there. You don't have to buy everything today. And hold it, and you hold it as long as you want, because guess what? It's a long-term investment. So before I go, I just want to say, if you think that I've earned your time, please like and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned and let me know how can I help you in the stock market. Until then, stay green and show some love to the channel.